But first at 5 tonight, we have to talk about the smoky air settled over our area right now. You can see it right there in this live look over the district. Thank you for being here with us tonight at 5. I'm Lorenzo Hall.
I'm Leslie Foster, and for the third time in less than 6 weeks, it is the haze that is making it hard to see and breathe for a lot of us. Right now, parts of our area are in code red. That's high alert for unhealthy and potentially dangerous air quality. The smoke has been moving in all day. We set up this time lapse at 12:30, and you can see how thick it is.
Yeah, and check out the satellite image from the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. All the white you see there, those are clouds. The gray, yeah, that's smoke coming all the way down from Canada.
We are getting used to this by now, but of course, when things get this bizarre outside, this team has you covered. We've got 3 meteorologists on this tonight. Michaela Lucero is live in Fairfax County talking about the health risks. Caitlin McGrath is tracking extreme weather from coast to coast, and we'll check in with them in just a minute.
Yeah, but first, let's get to the Chief Topper shut and top. Where's that code red right now?
It's just a couple of areas right around D.C., but now the rest of us have gone back to code orange. So I guess that's some good news. We slipped from we're slicing hairs here. 151, which is code red, we're down to 147 now. So it's a little bit better, but more psychological than anything. So this is the smoke loop, and it's not a satellite loop, it's a smoke loop. We've been using it all summer, and here we go. You can see how the smoke made it all the way to the I-95 corridor from Canada through the Midwest, penetrating really all the way down to Atlanta and Asheville, I mean, into the southeast as well. So it's covering much of the eastern seaboard. As you get a little further to the north and northeast, it's not right now anyway in Boston and New York, but it is in Philly and it is in DC, it is in Richmond. So yes, we are now code orange pretty much across the board. Baltimore is code red. So code orange means it's unhealthy for sensitive groups, and it's been code orange pretty much all day. And that means if you have a heart ailment or a lung respiratory problem, you should not be outside. Rest of us can be outside. We have to kind of use our common sense. Now, let's talk about the models. Caitlin and I were talking about this. Model hasn't done particularly well. We don't have a lot of options for smoke models. We have a lot of atmospheric models for weather, but for smoke, just a couple. So 8 o'clock tomorrow, this has it in pretty good shape. At least in code yellow, and then by 1 o'clock it looks like it has almost green to yellow in terms of the code. The blue, again, the cleaner air. So that's the way it looks by then. It's by 1 o'clock on Tuesday, and we go through the day by 7 o'clock. Should not be a problem, but again, we're kind of a little skeptical on this model. We still think we're going to be in code yellow to orange tomorrow, but probably just below red.